Welcome to Graphics1 Digital Academy. This Q&A series will answer the most common questions about ColorMate RIP. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view more Go Digital Academy videos, or visit Graphics1 website to find more video quick links.
Why the spot colors are not opening in ColorMate.
Color separation for screen printing is a crucial process. We'll be following a methodical approach to ensure your colors are well prepared for this application. Start by opening your file containing 1, 2, 3, and 4 distinct colors. For our demonstration, we have white, which will be substituted for the preview with a specific shade of pink, as well as green, red, and black. In the realm of screen printing, spot colors are your allies. All the colors in your design should be set as spot colors. This meticulous setup ensures a proper color separation. Let's open the file in ColorMate RIP. Begin by navigating the File menu and selecting Open an Image. Choose your image and proceed. Here, you'll fine-tune settings such as LPI, lines per inch, cluster, and dot shape. Once your settings are calibrated, scroll down to select the specific colors required for screen printing. To do this, first, deselect all colors. Then, pick only the ones necessary for your separation. In our case, this includes white, color number 2, spot black, number 3, red, and number 4, green. After selecting these colors, click OK to proceed. However, don't fret if an error message appears at this juncture. We will address this issue in the next step. Returning to Adobe Illustrator, you'll find the 4 colors marked as spot colors in your swatches. Clicking on any of them will display their properties. To rectify the error, double-click on each color and rename them. Instead of plain white, add the word Pantone and save the changes. Repeat this process for the other 3 colors: green, red, and black. Save the file again by clicking File and selecting Save As. Now, return to ColorMate, remove the previous file, and open the newly saved one. Ensure your LPI and cluster settings are correct. Once again, deselect all colors and select only the required ones. You will now see that all the colors are named as Pantone colors. After selecting them, click to open the plates. This time, you'll observe no error messages. ColorMate will generate a preview. Your 4 color plates will be ready for printing. Thank you for joining us, and we trust that this guide will greatly enhance your color separation process for screen printing. Thank you for staying with us. Please stay tuned for more Graphics1 Digital Academy videos. For additional information, please visit us at www.graphics1.com. Send us an email to sales@graphics1.com, or call us to 1-818-260-9591. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Graphics1 videos.